Not every vest is made for the storm, but this one is. Introducing the Stormer, a vest forged from premium buffalo leather with a commanding 1.3 to 1.4 millimeters thickness. It's built for the real road. A sharp V-neck design that keeps your ride look clean. Need quick grab space? 2 snap chest pockets right where you need them. Two outside zippered hand pockets for secure storage while you ride. Side lacing brings in that classic MC look, giving you that authentic edge. 4 classic front snaps for easy closure, old school feel, and solid grip. Inside, you get 2 concealed carry pockets with snaps for safety and easy reach. A heavy-duty mesh liner on the inside keeps it breathable and comfortable, even on long rides. Check out this single-panel back, perfect for your club patches and custom embroidery. Reinforced shoulder support so your vest holds strong. Heavy-duty snaps, YKK zippers, reinforced stitching, heavy-duty thread. Complete with a hanging loop, because a vest like this deserves its place. The Stormer isn't just a vest, it's your armor when the road gets real. Gear up now at danielsmartmfg.com.